What is your favorite lighter insert? There's only two that you can choose from because I only have two. Is it the torch one, which is one you just fill with butane? I'm not sponsored at all. You have this little hole right there you're going to fill it into. You're going to make sure you line your butane up with that hole. And then you're going to push down. 1, 2, 3. Give it a second. 1, 2, 3. Give it a second. 1, 2, 3. Give it a second. 1, 2, 3. That is more than enough. Way more than enough. It's just I use this zippo a lot. As well as my other one I have. And you also have the adjustable flame on the bottom here. You can adjust it with that screw. And with anything that is like a flathead screwdriver. Or anything that is thin enough like that. I personally use off of a multi-tool if it has like this can opener type thing. Has that little flat part. You can minus the flame or up it. I have mine up all the way. And then push down this button here. And then there's your flame. And then the traditional. One, it needs fuel in it. Instead of, actually it doesn't need fuel in it, but instead of using butane, it uses this Zippo fuel I use. You open it like this, put a bit in there. Make sure if you need to wipe it, you do. Which I do, so I wipe it. Put it back in the case here. Push down. Light. And then works every time. First try. Put in the comments